All right, so this is the timing video for using the Vortex review method. So start by opening your comp book. You have your Flair pen ready. You've decided what you're going to be working on. So the first thing I'd like you to do is on this side of the page, I want you to picture an image from the thing you're trying to review and close your eyes, and you're going to draw this image with your eyes closed for 1 minute. You ready? Go. Halfway there. I mean 15 more seconds. Starting to wrap up. Concluding the line you're drawing. Go ahead and open your eyes and take a look. Good. So the next one, we're going to do the same thing, another scene or person, something that's in this image but not an object. Are you ready? Eyes closed, go. Halfway there. About 15 more seconds. Concluding the line or shape that you're working on. Coming back together, right? Take a look. There's another one. All right, let's do it again. Turn the page. Another person or scene drawn with your eyes closed. Go. About 20 more seconds. Starting to wrap up. Concluding this line or shape. Go ahead and take a look. Good. Let's do one more. Ready? Another scene or a person from this set of images you're working from with your eyes closed. Go. Whole body's a good idea. Halfway there. Starting to wrap up. concluding the line or shape you're working on, coming back together. All right. Here's an alternative way to do this next part, which is to take your comp book, quickly divide it into quarters. You can do it a little neater than that. And in this first frame here, I'll give you about 2 minutes to draw one of the characters that appears in this thing that you're reviewing. So you'll have about 2 minutes to draw one of the characters with your eyes open. Go. About another minute. About 30 seconds. And you should feel free to put some indication of this setting. About 10 more seconds. Starting to wrap up. All right, concluding the line or shape. Now let's move to this frame here. Let's draw another person for 2 minutes who appears in this review frame of whatever you're trying to review. Go ahead, 2 minutes. About another 50 seconds. And now, in these last 30 seconds, put some indication of setting. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do it again. Another character or scene, quick scene that's part of this image that you're working with. 2 minutes, go ahead. About another minute. So about 30 more seconds, do some indication of setting. About 15 seconds. Starting to wrap up. All right, and this last one, another character or a scene, quick drawing of a 2-minute drawing of a scene that appears in this image that you're reviewing. Go ahead. About another minute. Thirty more seconds. So give some indication of where the scene's taking place. Background. Draw in some background. Starting to wrap up, coming back together. Good, 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 good. Now turn the page so you have a blank double page spread in your comp book. And I'd like you to take one of those scenes that you just drew, only now you're going to draw it faster. You're going to draw it in a minute and a half. And then the last 30 seconds will be you writing something about it. So take that scene. Are you ready? A minute and a half to draw it small somewhere on that double page spread and go. You have about a minute.
Mm-hmm.
30 more seconds. Starting to wrap up your drawing. And now 30 seconds to write something underneath there. Maybe a quote that somebody says that you associated with it or something. 30 seconds, go. Starting to wrap up. Concluding whatever it is you're writing. All right. And then somewhere else, move your hand around to another part of the page and another scene from the thing you're trying to review, maybe one that you haven't already drawn. Same thing, about a minute and a half to draw it, and then 30 seconds to write about it. Ready and go. About a minute. Thirty more seconds of drawing. Ten seconds. All right, 30 seconds to write something below or next to it. About 10 more seconds. All right. Another image. And I'm going to repeat this timing thing two more times so that you get an idea for the beat of it, and then I'm going to set you off on your own. So another image. Ready? Go. About another minute. 30 more seconds of drawing. Ten seconds. All right, 30 seconds to write something. Starting to wrap up. Concluding the line or phrase you're working on. And let's do it one more time so you can get a feel for about how long you should be drawing and writing. Another image. Ready, go. About a minute. Thirty more seconds of drawing. And 30 seconds to write something. Ten more seconds. All right. So now you'll set a timer for 15 minutes and you'll just finish filling this page in. If this page runs out of room, flip the page and keep on going for 15 more minutes and then look for part 2 of this exercise.